people that don't understand it. Why cologne? It's always scary.
It's a challenge.
Like,
I would try it maybe one time in my life.
alright.
Trying?
Everyone has
Hiking
their back
alone?
canisters?
Oh, it's fun.
Like this? Like something serious? I don't know if I would do alone.
I mean, the only thing is,
Safety.
no. I think safety's the last thing you'll be worried. It's more like you get bored. It's not bored. It's just like, if you're into that solitary thing.
I mean,
I like the company of people.
Not like serious hikes. Like, I get like day hikes or like some light stuff. Like our Virginia, for example, that could have been done solo, no problem. Because you have people on the trail. I feel like this would be a little more secluded. I don't know. High bear activity.
Does it show where we are?
Hey, how you doing?
Hello. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Good. What's the destination for today?
We're just gonna do camp spot. Ooh, look at this hoodie boot, bro. That's a hoodie, right? Yeah. You guys want to go that way? See what's up? I don't remember going that way. Well, there might be spots. Here, we pause our hike.
Yeah, it's just once we start setting up.
Yeah, once we start.
Bro, you're not scared of that thing. Just hovering over you.
Well, look how many branches are in the way.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Like, even if it does start, it'll go like away. It'll probably mess up my rain fly.
I'll probably hit like
It will never go down.
But it's not. We tried moving it. It doesn't move. It's my time. It's my time. That's all I gotta say.
Well, you can say that you hanged yourself this weekend. Alright. Let's start getting little pieces. To expand the fire pit up there, I think. How big of a fire are we making?
Yo.
What up?
What up?
Dude, this is really cool though. I like it.
It's a new experience.
It's like a 10, but way more comfortable. Way more comfortable.
More comfortable?
Yeah, dude.
It's literally called a double nest hammock.
Oh.
Yeah, like if you try to feel it, really it is so lightweight. It's awesome. It's like,
Everyone has the same as yours though?
no. Because he has a slightly lighter.
It's also emo, but
Yeah, he has like a
it's a
different.
lighter version.
Yeah.
It's also emo. Like a seat. I thought you were using it for a seat. But yeah, wait.
Work.
All right, that tree did not do anything to you.
I know.
Sam, come on, man.
I'm getting a second axe.
Is that good? Do you think that good? Like that good? You think that good? It's like in the air. Usually it's dry. And it's bereza.
We can take that.
Bereza. Is it bereza or bereza? It's bereza.
Береза.
Is that Ukrainian or Russian? Is there a difference?
Russian. Береза. Ukrainian.
Ah, so see,
Here.
I had it. I think.
Bereza, bereza.
Yo, there's a bunch of crap here we can take. Well, let's go see if there's more over there.
I like seeing if there's more.
A little more girthy.
Somehow cut this. Wait, is there
Someone tried. Look.
two pieces of that was you? No?
No, I didn't touch it.
We need 2 pieces of wood that we can like crack it in.
2 trees?
2 trees, yeah.
Wait,
There's nothing. Oh, right there.
let me try.
Give the big axe a chance.
Oh my gosh.
It's immediately deeper, like.
It's just such a better axe. Like
your
that
fire.
one
I got you.
log would be.
Oh, you're gonna put it in between the trees. Man, this is.
That's a long
I've seen
piece.
some long wood in my life. This is long.
So pick it up.
It's really good wood. That's fine.
So you're holding it?
Yeah.
All right, shove it in.
Come on.
You can't even make it in, bro.
Bro, where did I start chopping?
Right there,
No, can we go lower?
Yeah.
Maybe there. Where are we going? No, we have to.
Stop.
Yeah, this does nothing.
It's not. Yeah, it's hardwood. Bro.
See, the tree's in the way here.
All right, you got it.
And then the tree's in the way here. That's what I'm saying.
This is gonna be. Oh God!
Let me see.
What are you trying to chop down?
I'm just gonna chop it down.
Yeah, let's just chop it down. If we chop it down in half, it'll be easier. And then we'll just keep flipping it, and then it'll crack. Yo, somebody here, bro? You
Paul,
good?
You're supposed to watch the fire. Die down. You died down.
No way,
Put
bro.
Put some wood in it.
We didn't tell him that. Crap. We forgot to tell him.
We didn't specify what he's supposed to do if it dies down.
Yeah,
No,
bro.
crap, dude.
You're supposed to put more wood in the fire.
You guys having fun?
Honestly,
You,
definitely.
did you get the fire going?
Paul, lift it up. From the back. 1, 2, 3. Alright, Paul, move it to the side.
Oh, it's breaking. It's
broke.
breaking. You can.
Sorry.
There you go. Oh, a beast, bro. We
We need you, bro! We need you in our life!
couldn't do this before you.
You are what we need in life. Crazy, man. We were right there like 2 hours, what, an hour ago?